the day of my merch. I hope you like the merch.
See myself.
I need to leave this lobby. I gotta get out of this mimic lobby. It's lagging the game.
Chubbier snail!
Shout out to all of you.
Where's Chubbier snail?
Heads up.
He left.
Like, hey, like, don't.
Oh, that's crazy.
It really like punishment.
I was gonna give him a try.
We have to a lobby that doesn't have it. I wanted to
Guys, I missed. Oh my God, Chubbier snail was just in this cup, right?
Whoa,
He left.
Yeah, every lobby I make
That
do
was,
like all
I
this stuff.
tried joining, but then the server was full, but then I joined because Chubbier snail left. Why Chubbier snail friend you?
Wow. All this mimics are off the top. Every lobby.
Chubbier snail on your server. Come in the lobby. Snail's back.
No, he's not.
I saw you guys on the
A little bit unfortunate that
I didn't get to see him.
there's so much
I didn't get to
spoiler
see him.
right now.
Come.
Okay, but
Yo,
we're gonna
Guys,
start doing
if we were turning
one
down,
of the
we were on the
five.
white. Guys, that means we're on the
One
white.
of the lava
Okay,
zones.
turn it
So I'll
down.
kind of go to the lava zone real quick.